Welcome to another CarPlay City video. This screen is designed for all 1998 to 2022 Jeep Wrangler models. The screen has the newest Android 13 operating system with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. As you can see, it completely transforms your driving experience, giving you cutting-edge connectivity, convenience, and style. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on our latest products and tutorials. If you're ready to upgrade your ride, head over to CarPlayCity.com and get your hands on this incredible screen today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.